Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as trailer tow package, integrated brake controller, spray and bed liner, tow hooks, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra paneling coupled to storage in the bottom, accompanied by the speakers. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. These black running boards here as well, and you're going to have the 40-20-40 split seat, all manually adjustable. On the left side here, you're going to have your auto 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your trailer mode and your lighting controls there. And on the steering wheel on the left side, you're just going to have your cruise control. And onto the odometer, pretty basic. You can access your vehicle information from switching the dial here. It's going to give you your fuel range, as well as your tire pressure, oil filter, air filter, your trailer brake, and then other measurements as well. Classic column truck shifter. Down below here, you can have your brake controller, as well as just a USB port and a 12-volt DC port. Above that, you're going to have your hill descent control, as well as your rear lift gate and your traction control, climate controls, obviously. And here onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and also OnStar services and navigation. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance as well. So with the seat, lots of extra storage up top. Lifts it up, and to put the seat back down, find the tab, pull it right back down. Passenger side, again, manually adjustable as well. Same finish, the all black door, the double glove box for extra storage, speakers up top, as well as some storage on top of the infotainment system. And here you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar services and your SOS. You're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Toyo Open Country tires. You're gonna have your Z71 badging with the black plastic mirror caps and door handles as well. Onto the back, you're gonna have the quarter step bumper with the dual exhaust. Sounds pretty good with the trailer hitch and your fifth wheel just under. The easy lift tailgate goes right down with 2 LED lamps on each side and 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, same style, lots of extra storage and cup holder storage on the bottom of the door by the speakers. Comes up here to the power windows. It's a crew cab, but it is a custom, so you're not going to have much, just lots of legroom with rear ventilation. Unfortunately, no cup holder or armrest. You're going to have storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet, as we had this quick review on this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, spray and bed liner, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.